Hello, my name is AI Fusion Master. You probably saw these videos I created that broke internet algorithms and went super viral. Today I will share with you how I make those videos. You see, just 30 days ago, I was a broke student struggling to make ends meet. Fast forward to today, I'm making $10,000 monthly from my AI-generated content. My journey started with a dream and the right AI tools, and now I have grown to a massive community of 1.3 million on TikTok, 100,000 on Instagram, and 70,000 on YouTube. All right, now let's get to the magic part, my step-by-step workflow for AI content creation. I use two powerful tools, Midjourney and Kling AI, and the process is straightforward. Here's how it works. Step 1. Generate the image. We start by crafting an image using Midjourney. For this example, we will use a prompt for two twin sharks that I copied from my 15 viral prompts file. If you are interested in this file with viral Midjourney prompts, stick to the end of the video. Now we will paste this prompt to a Midjourney after typing the /imagine command. As you can see, AI generated 4 cool images. I like the first one. We will choose it by pressing U1 and then save it to our device. Step 2. Animate the image. Next, we use Kling AI to breathe life into that image, turning a simple visual into an engaging animation. I will leave the link to the website in the description. Now, when we are in the image to video menu, we need to upload the image that we generated in Midjourney and paste the good quality prompt for animating our image. I will drop the prompts used in this video in the description so you guys can try and experiment yourself. You can also play around with these settings here to customize your desired outcome. We will use standard mode for this example. We will also add 3 negative prompts to make sure we avoid blur and distortion, and then we press generate and wait for magic to happen. And here is the result that we generated in less than 20 minutes. Using this simple methodology, I managed to get millions of views on social media and was able to make a lot of money on monetization. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to creating incredible AI content. The complex prompts, the advanced tips, and the secret sauce to making your content truly stand out. That's where our AI Content Mastery course comes in. Inside, you'll get access to 1. Advanced prompt crafting. Ready-made prompts aren't enough. We teach you to create prompts that generate stunning visuals and compelling animations. 2. Case studies. We'll show you real case studies. People who started just like you and are now making serious income using AI. 3. Step-by-step guidance. You'll get guided workflows, insider tips, and everything I've learned about transforming this into a real, sustainable income. 4. If you're ready to take the leap, join us now and become part of this journey. Don't just watch the magic, become the magician. Click the link to my website in the description for more details.